Shalom. I want to give all praises to Yahweh, by Yeshua, Yahweh Shah, by Yeshua Kakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and the elders that were well, and peace and blessings to you brothers that is keeping his word in sincerity and truth. The last couple of days I've been really thinking about this. It's important that we're fighting to remain unified, because there's no one way in which any organization, any team, any army, could be dismembered. One way is not being unified. People want to do their own thing and be upstarts and things of that nature. But we don't need to walk in that light. We have a certain order that was given to us, and it's important that we're honoring that order, whether it be brothers in your camp, elders that have been here for numerous years, or just even a younger brother. It's important that we're respecting each other according to what the scriptures, how the scriptures prescribe. The brotherhood, or the unity in the brotherhood, man. So it's very important that we're fighting to be in order, fighting to be in unity. A lot of times demons will jump on you, and make you remember, certain arguments or disputes that you had with a brother. The demons could play on you even when a brother is talking, man. Or it might not necessarily be you, per se, or a particular brother per se that's irking you, but when you see him, feelings of, resentment, or a situation that you're thinking about, you're reminded of it when you see him. I hope I'm making sense. So it's very important that we're checking our minds, man. Check your minds, check your labium. We're checking our labium, and we're making sure that we're protecting what we think. You see, because Satan plays on, our emotions, man. That's why it says in what's that? It's either 1st or 2nd Peter 5 and 8 that be sober, be diligent, because your adversary, the devil, as a roaring lion, walketh about, seeking who he may devour. You see, and he does that, with your conscience, or your labium. Okay, so I just want to put this out there, man. Fight to stay in order, fight to be a brother, fight for unity. Gaining unity takes discipline. We're being programmed to be individualists, and that mindset does not work, for the true nation of Israel, in which we're hoping to build. We're not hoping, in which we're building. You see, we are building, the nation of Israel, man. And the first way we're doing that with this word, and it's so important. It's important for us to implement that word, when dealing with your brother. So fight for unity, brothers. Fight for unity, and having unity takes discipline. Shalom.